In this short video, I'll show you how to hide WhatsApp messages and sender names from the notification bar on both Android and iPhone devices. This feature is crucial for protecting your privacy, especially when you receive sensitive information that you don't want others to see at a glance. Hello and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate privacy settings, including hiding WhatsApp notifications effectively. Together, we'll explore this method to ensure your WhatsApp notifications remain private. Stay with me until the end to find out how to mute and unmute someone's WhatsApp status updates. Now let's get started on how to hide WhatsApp messages and sender names from your notification bar. For Android users, head over to your phone settings app, tap on Notifications. Scroll down to find WhatsApp and tap on it. Next, select Notification Style. Then select Message Notifications. Here, choose Lock Screen Notification. Follow it up by selecting Don't Show Lock Screen Notification. Before we explore how it's done on iPhones, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more WhatsApp tips. Now, let's continue with how to hide WhatsApp notification content in the notification bar on iPhones. For iPhone users, open the Settings app, tap on Notifications. Then scroll to find WhatsApp. Under Lock Screen Appearance, choose Show Previews and select Never. This will prevent any WhatsApp notification previews from appearing on your lock screen. Alternatively, you can adjust these settings directly in the WhatsApp app. To do this, open WhatsApp. Go to Settings, then select Notifications. Under this, turn off Use High Priority Notifications. This will hide message content and sender names when you receive WhatsApp messages. But what if you only want to mute the WhatsApp status updates from a particular contact? No worries. In this video linked here, I'll show you the easy steps to mute and unmute the WhatsApp status updates from a particular contact. Click to watch it after this. To explore more helpful video tutorials, check the description below and subscribe to our channel. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more WhatsApp video tutorials, click this card. Thank you for tuning in.